Doing the chemistry 1411 general chemistry. I'm doing the lab 5 activity number 1. In activity number 1, we are determining the densities of regular solids. In this case, we have 3 cylinders: cylinder 1, cylinder 2, and cylinder 3. And one is clear. Actually, one is silver. This one's clear, and this one is a polyurethane white. So essentially, we have to use we have to measure the mass. We have to measure the height, measure the diameter, the radius, and the calculated volume and the density. Excuse me, I've just been dealing with a really rough cold, so I'm gonna have a sip of my cup. Green tea is what I have to do. Thank you. It's good on the better on my throat. Now in this case, let me get the weighted. Turn this on. I'm gonna get the weigh the aluminum silver one, and I'm weighing it, and I get exactly 4.36 grams. Okay, I'm gonna remove it now. Okay, I'm gonna weigh the acrylic one. I'm gonna put it on the weigher, and I get exactly 1.96. Let me write that down. And I remember the first mass of the silver ones. I'm going to write that down: 4.36 grams. Okay. Remove this one, and I'm going to get the weight of the white cylinder, and I get 1.54 amps. Okay. Now I'm going to remove this one, and now I'm going to get the height. So I have my trusty ruler. This is a general chemistry ruler, because on one side has inches, the other side has centimeters. So we always want to go with centimeters, and that's the way to go when you're measuring a device. So when I measure the device here on the table, and I measure it against the cylinder, mine appears to be exactly 1.2 centimeters. So I'm going to write down 1.2 centimeters. Put that back. Now I'm going to measure the next one, the clear cylinder. It appears to be the same size, 1.2 centimeters. I'm going to go for the third one and measure that one as well, 1.2 centimeters. Okay, now it's time for my cup of tea now. Give me one moment. Okay, thank you. Now I'm going to get the diameter of the cylinders. I'm going to measure them with my trusty chemical ruler. And from what I have here, I have exactly 1.2 centimeters for the aluminum silver diameter. 1.2 centimeters. I'm going to measure the third one, the clear one. I'll get exactly 1.2 centimeters. 1.2 centimeters, okay? And the third one, the clear one, I'm going to measure that one as well. Appears to be the same diameter, 1.2 centimeters, okay? Now, I'm also going to get the radius. So let me measure the radius. The radius appears to be exactly 0.6 centimeters. And that's the white one. So I'm going to start with get this clear one, measure the radius on this one. 0.6 centimeters. All right. And then the silver one, I'm going to measure that one too. Yep, 0.6 centimeters. Okay. Now, the calculated volume, I measured that for each of them. It appeared that each of the calculated volumes appear to be exactly the same. For the silver one, it appeared to be exactly 4.52 centimeters cubed. for the clear one is 4.52 centimeters cube. And for the white one, 4.52 centimeters cube.